Hey everyone, today I've got something really fun to share with you, especially if you're hooked on Monopoly Go like I am. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get free dice rolls. And no, this isn't one of those fake methods that waste your time. This one actually works. Now just to show you it's legit, take a look at my screen. I've already used this method, and as you can see, my account is loaded with dice rolls. This is something you can do too, super easily. And I'll show you exactly how. The best part? It's super simple. You don't need to do anything risky. It's just a few easy steps, and if you watch this video all the way through and follow along, you'll be rolling non-stop just like I am. Before I found this, I was always running out of rolls right when the game got exciting. You know the feeling. You're just about to complete a board or land on a huge prize and boom, you're out of rolls. It's the worst. But after using this method, I don't have that problem anymore. And honestly, the game is way more fun now. So if you want to enjoy Monopoly Go without constantly waiting for rolls, stick around. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step so you can do it too. Just follow along and you'll be set. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Here's how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go, and finally play the game the way it should be played. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Monopoly Go and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.